everyone, this is Judy from Kiloview. InfoComm 2026 is just around the corner, and I'd like to personally invite you to visit us at booth N8327. At Kiloview, we believe professional AV workflows should be simpler, more integrated, and more accessible. As the professional videos move beyond the traditional studios into auditorium rooms, meeting rooms, classrooms, house of worship, and also even live event spaces, users are looking for professional capabilities but without the complexity. Less wiring, less configuration, less standalone devices, and systems that are easier to deploy, manage, and scale. So that's exactly what we will be demonstrating at InfoComm 2026. This year, we will showcasing 3 complete workflows in action. So you will experience how the AVX24 Media Hub brings the visibility and the centralized control to IP media networks for auditorium rooms and town halls, how our Cradle series R42 enables highly integrated and also the flexible IP video workflows for professional content creation, and also how the P series together with our Q-Link station makes the remote production contribution simpler and more reliable. And we are excited to introduce something new. Our latest solution is designed to bring the professional video into everyday collaboration spaces, making IP videos easier to use into the UC meetings, BYOD environments, the room displays, and even the local monitoring applications. Because we believe the professional video capabilities shouldn't be limited to complex projects or specialized facilities. They should be available to every Pro AV space. So if you are coming to InfoComm, I'd like to meet you in person, and welcome to stop by our booth at N8327. You can send me a message or book a meeting through the link below, and I will see you soon in Las Vegas.